So we're going to try this out for the first time tonight. This is the Camp Lux, and it's the portable grill and barbecue. You can have either or, and it just takes these gas canisters, which you can get from anywhere. So to set it up, super simple. Everything that you need is all in there. So we have the grill, the bit to catch all the stuff. This part here is if you want to put coal in there, so it can be used as the barbecue, and this goes over the top of this, which is where the flame comes out from, but you'll see. So this drops down and then into here and fits on there like so. So that there is if you want to put coal in, but we're not going to do coal today, so all we're going to do, and it just slides in one hole and then hooks on the side there. And this is also where the gas is going to get connected to with this regulator, which comes with the Camp Lux barbecue. Then put that on there and you're pretty much good to go. Next, we're going to attach this, then the regulator on here. And that is it. We're good to light up and start cooking something. The way to light it is obviously turn on the regulator, and you actually just hold a flame up there and it will light that centre bit. Right, so we're going to go for some sausages first. Can never, ever undo these. First thing we're going to test out is sausages. They're good. Let's see how long they take. Browning off nicely. Yeah, there's enough heat coming from there. And we just got this small gas, or medium-sized gas. Jesus! Looks good. Now time for some burgers. Now time for some steak. So that's the Camp Lux well and truly used. Like I did say at the start, you can do one of a couple of things. You can lift this up and you can remove this element just to have the gas coming straight up onto the actual grill, or you can remove this part in total, and this is where you'd put the coal and it becomes a barbecue with your grill on top. So either or. We did find it did use quite a bit of gas, but I don't actually know how much was left in there, but there's probably about a quarter left. There may have only been half, so unsure how much it actually used. Packing it away as well is also incredibly simple. Obviously, once it's cooled down, then clean it all. But all we're going to do is unscrew the gas, and from here too. Then just take this, close it. This would go that side. These little bits. Then you're good to walk away with it or put it away. So that was the Camp Lux gas barbecue. Check them out. Link's going to be down in the description if you want to have a look at it. They're on sale at the moment as well. But it worked well for us.